Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to remove password from Hotspot and Android. If you want to remove the password of your hotspot, so you just need to follow these steps. First, just scroll down the status bar of phone and here you'll get the settings of hotspot. Just keep a long press on it and then it will be open in settings. And here you just have to on it. And after that, here you'll get the option of hotspot password. Just tap on it and then clear it, and now you can see I can't clear it cleanly, so I have to select at least 8-digit password. So just tap on cancel and here you will get the option of security. Just tap on it and after that you just have to select none. Just tap here and now you can see the password setting has been out on my hotspot. So I have successfully disabled the password of my hotspot on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.